And so this is what our backyard looked like before, and I have for a while been wanting it to look like this right here now. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys what we used, where we got it from, and all that we spent. Pebbles. It's $5.48 up in the Home Depot here in Hiram, Georgia now. All right, so lava rock, heat swell, and fire pits, and it looks nice too, so we're gonna do that. And we're gonna put some sand up in that now. $5.47. I wanted to show you guys now at the Home Depot. All right, so because the already mixed up stuff is like literally double the price, you guys. I mean, dang. And so this right here, not even $7. It's like $6.91. Okay, now we're using, because we're trying to do it the cheapest we possibly can. I'm going to stain it. It seems like it might be pressure treated. I don't know, but it is $4.80-something. We got all that we feel like getting now. We got our poles. They were $5 each, which is pretty dope. Each of those stones was $2 each. That's where you get stuck now. Thankfully, we already had these at home, so that's where you're going to have to budget and figure out if you can find stones that need cheaper. And good luck to you, my friends. But the ones that we got here are $1.97. And then that little hole digger thing for $39.99. And we're ready to get the fuck out of here. Oh, we got to get our stain. And we also got to get our stain as well. All right, y'all. So I had to like price match like everywhere, because almost everywhere, those were about $100. So $43 was definitely winning. And it was a pain in the butt to put together. But it came out pretty nice. And I used that to carve my circle around to know about how much we needed, you know, dug out for the area, as well as my stones. And y'all, if you want to know how to get cardio as a paraplegic, go dig a freaking hole, because I almost died up in here now. Next, I went ahead and added some sand because HGTV said that was a good idea. So I figured, okay, why not? All right, so as you can tell, it's taking me all day and my arms feel like they're gonna friggin' fall off. But we're making progress. It's just getting colder and darker. So I don't know if this will be my stopping point or if I will just keep suffering through now to get it done, because I'm so excited to see what it's gonna look like. So yeah. Alright, we didn't do nothing fancy. We literally just threw them bad boys down there in the circle that we needed it to be in. Put our lava rock up in that mow and just kept on building now. We're putting pea gravel or whatever in the middle just because HGTV did it. So we figured, why not? And yeah, it came along as we just started building now. So far, doesn't that look legit? Too legit to quit up in here now. Too legit to quit in my fire pit now, you know. Now I'm going to get Justin to put some poles up so we can put our lighting up that we bought years and years ago. And I'm going to tell you right now, work smarter, not harder now. That digger pole thingy for $39.99 was worth every stinking dead gum penny, because digging holes is not fun. Also, that concrete right there, cement or whatever it is no stir. So you literally pour it in with some water and it made them bad boys unmovable, which we needed because it gets windy sometimes. So all right, once we got those bad boys sanded down and solid in the ground, I went ahead and stained them with our stain to help them with the elements outdoors and all. Plus I thought it looked so much nicer to have them stained and classy looking now. And then I had to get Justin to do the tops because my wheelchair only goes so high.
All right, look what they look like this morning. So much better. Like, yeah, Justin had to do the tops last night, but in the dark, so.
All right, now that's done, I went ahead and put some lava rock around them just because I thought that looked a little nicer and classier. And those lightings right there, we've had them for years, but you can get them off Amazon for like 100 feet for like $30. They're very reasonable these days. So I definitely recommend going there or Walmart for those. So this is where we're at so far. Lighting turned out well. We've got our poles real sturdy. We put some lava rock over the bases. Now I'm finishing the Adirondack chairs to match the poles here, so hopefully it'll just make it look fabulous and it'll be beautiful at night. Alright, so that's kind of stain I'm using. I had to tell them what color I wanted and they mixed it. So it's called Chocolate Tea 129. So if you want that one at Home Depot now, it's called Chocolate Tea-129. So, and I'm gonna tell you right now, if they offer assembly for $10, which they did per chair, just do that now. Oh my gosh, you guys, this took me like hours to stain. And I got the rest of it back there. So I'm gonna also tell you what, I blew myself away on here now. I put things together all the time, paralyzed, but these chairs, oh, I didn't know if I was gonna be able to do it now, and I did it, and I was so freaking proud when I got done. Y'all never underestimate what you're capable of. Even paralyzed with a partially paralyzed hand, nothing's impossible if you just try now. I did it.
All right.
Look. All right, y'all. Y'all don't even know how difficult this was to freaking stain and put together, but we got 1 down, 3 more to go now. Dadgummit. But I'm proud. We did well. It looks good. Now let's see what it'll sign now. We did our first fire in it last night, and it was so nice. But yeah, I feel like this definitely brings the whole area into being so much nicer. What y'all think? All right, y'all, this is the finished result. It looks so cozy, especially compared to what it was so now. I definitely think it's a very classy, nice fire pit. And I love how our Adirondack chairs came out to match the poles that our lights are holding. We got our lava rock around those, so that way it just looks like a classy little like fire pit area now. What y'all think? Not too shabby. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this helps you guys build something just as beautiful in your backyard. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.